We're doing subfloor today. Well, at least just the framing of the floor and insulation. Lowe's didn't have what we were looking for, so we had to get 12 of these 3/4 inch insulation boards in order to match up to the 1.5 inches we saw that was going to go down as a framing. But we're getting ready. We're on the way to the bus right now.
Regardless, we're excited. Excited.
A little bit excited.
Hey, Hercules.
Damn, I had to do that to myself right now. Just gave myself a splinter. Mommy!
Oh no, it's blowing.
It's blowing. You got this. It's practicing like one of those like Cuban or African women that carry the jug on their heads, right? I'm just filming you struggle. It's funny.
Hey y'all, we are gonna get some floors down today. I'm so excited to move on to this next step. It's gonna actually start to look like a home now. Hey Dad, I just wanted to say hi and show you our progress. Let me see. So this is what we've gotten done today. Put down some of the wood framing. Our drill died here, so we just put cinder blocks until we come back tomorrow. But we got pretty much all the perimeter done of wood. And then we bought our foam, our sheet foam, whatever it's called, insulation. We're gonna cut that tomorrow as soon as we get finished with the framing out. And then we gotta buy our subfloor wood too. But I just wanted to show you the progress we made the last couple days. It's looking good.
Our batteries died on our drill here, so we're just gonna go ahead in the meantime while they charge. We just clean this place up a little bit, and gonna get some of this foam board in there. Did you just make fart noises?
Yeah. because I don't want to go up the back of the bus for the umpteenth time today.
Getting your exercise. It's like better than squats.
I'm too old for this. Hey guys, so we're wrapping up another day. It's been like day 5 in a row or so that we've worked really hard on these floors. We got a lot more of the framing done today, and then we actually started laying some insulation with some Gorilla Glue down. So we got some cinder blocks to dry it flat. So there we go. Pretty exciting stuff, and more tomorrow.
Are you okay?
No.
You need help?
Yes. Please.
Make a slow joke.
No. I love insulation.
All right, so progress is being made. We got the whole floor framed out. We got a little past half of it filled with foam board insulation, glued down.
Hey y'all, today is a big day. We have finished the floors finally. We finished all the framing, all the insulation, and we're gonna start laying down some wood.
It's not screwed in, but we just want to make sure that the width was accurate. But it's difficult to get down a whole sheet of plywood without having to cut down the middle or anything like that because of these ledges right here, which are about 1.5 inches. So it's like a 2x4 width right here on both sides. So basically what we did is we put 2 cinder blocks down the center right here. Okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're going to put one side in to the floor first, and then using a cinder block to kind of keep it weighted down, we're going to gently bend down on the opposite end to get it under without cracking the sheet wood. So that's what we're doing today. Okay. Hi. Christina's still sleeping because she did work last night. But I am up early on a Wednesday, just to try to get some work in on the bus. Today I'm just going to take some of the wood that we're still putting down for the floor and cut around the wheel wells. So let's see how this goes.